We had some crusty inner fenders up front that we need to get rid of, so we reached out to our friends, Mike over at Slush Tubs. He fixed us up with some great inner fenders. We also worked with him on some trim pieces to go above the fenders, as well as some firewall touches. Once we got all those parts from Slush Tubs fit up, we sent them over to our painter, Buck Struble. He put some hot rod black on them, and we got those installed.
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass. Got it. Custom. This is super inconvenient. I mean, I'm not trying to break it, I just... Huh? You're my performance. We do it right because we do it 3 times.
So we're disassembling this old factory harness out of here, and we're going to pull it out of the way. And later down the road, we're going to par that out and remove some of the wires we don't need. It's a fair amount in this case.
And for what we have going on, we need to get rid of that air conditioning box. We're going to also put a nice vintage air back in it, and that is a real nice condensed unit that goes inside underneath the dash and stays out of the engine bay.
Our good friends over at Slush Tubs helped us out with some products we're going to install in the truck. They make great products for anywhere from 1947 up to 1989.
98.
Up to 1998 Chevy pickups, as well as some F100 stuff. They make some great seats and some really cool niche products. Let's take a look at what they sent us. So we're going to be running their 1973 up to 1987 mild Slush Tubs. They make a few different versions of this depending on what you're trying to do with the truck. Everything from air ride to a more stock configuration. Ours is kind of middle of the road. We're also going to run a firewall filler panel. Brand new product they got coming out. Gives us a great fit whenever we're installing our vintage air conditioning system, and really helps us kind of hide the hoses the way that we want to hide them.
Hey Dave, don't forget about these. So Slush Tubs also does some stereo stuff. They do custom-made boxes tailored to whatever you want to do in your truck. This is going to fit great behind our 79 C10. As soon as that gets snapped in there, really cleans up the box. They can also supply you with some of the amplifiers and subwoofers that you want. Tailored to, your style.
Yep, you could reach out to them. They have a couple stock options, as well as you could let them know what you're trying to accomplish, and they could build you whatever you want. Everything's all made in the USA, all CNC cut on a wood CNC, and in our application, they supplied all the components as well, so we had a good fit for exactly what we were trying to do.
We also reached out to TMI, who we're doing our interior with, and they sent us some extra material that me and Dave wrapped the box in, just to tie everything in and inside of the truck.
We use these inner fender filler panels from Slush Tubs. They got a lot of different options for some different looks, also some different fitment. We went with an option that is going to work with these Ring Brother hinges. So they have the proper cutouts in the right spots and everything fits up nice. They send you all the information you need, the template to get these installed correctly and do your trimming where needed. They make a real nice fit and finish. We use some of these nice screws with the washers to give a nice finished look. There's a lot of different options for how you want to install these, but this worked great for our application.
Y'all got any French fry taters in there?